Guide on how to draw a spellbook using waffles. We start by drawing a flat brick. Then we divide it into 4 equal parts, and then each part into 4 more to create a waffle. Separate the crispy part from the filling and begin to emboss the design of the book, using the grid as a guide. The embossing thickness is uniform everywhere, with the same diagonal direction. If you are having trouble getting it fairly even, then use a ruler. Hang in there, this is the most difficult and tedious part. It's crucial to outline the sketch correctly. The next steps will be more interesting, and in the end, it will be awesome. Check if you're subscribed to my channel to not miss new videos. Also, feel free to share what you'd like to see in the next guide. Add 2 more horizontal cuts in the middle of the book and draw 2 circles. The second, slightly smaller one, will tilt diagonally a bit. Using the grid, we draw rays to create a star as a decorative element. Now, we can draw a bookmark between the pages. It's important not to forget to give it thickness to keep the art consistent. Now, we erase the sketch and carefully refine the outline. Since the light is shining from the top left, we shade everything on the bottom right. To add pages, simply draw a few lines along them. Don't forget about the cast shadows. We shade them with moderate pressure. Since we're nearing the end, and I promised something interesting, let's turn on some music and go ahead.